Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Instant Pot Pro Plus and Ninja Foodi 14-in-1. The Instant Pot Pro Plus offers 15 cooking programs including a yogurt maker and pressure cooking options. It features a sleek design with a large touchscreen making it easy to select settings. The proprietary cooking technology ensures consistent results, and it offers Wi-Fi connectivity for remote control via an app. It is great for those who want a versatile all-in-one kitchen appliance. The Ninja Foodi 14-in-1 multi-cooker stands out with its pressure cooking, air frying, and steam crisping functions. It features a unique tender crisp technology that allows you to cook meals quickly and then finish them with a crispy texture. The 14 cooking functions provide a variety of options including dehydrating and slow cooking. It's known for its durability and user-friendly controls but can be bulkier compared to the other Instant Pot. In my opinion, the Instant Pot Pro Plus excels in Wi-Fi control and simplicity, while the Ninja Foodi 14-in-1 is better for crispy, versatile meal, and those looking for a heavier duty appliance. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.